Hey guys, thanks for joining our channel. Ran across this long guy. Fixing to go across one of the driveways here on the farm. See if it'll step out. Cutting a little grass today. I'm surprised this would be the first one I've seen. Oh, there she comes. Still more coming out. Pretty good size. I believe this to be an eastern rat snake. They eat rats, mice, other venomous snakes, believe it or not. She's kind of curious. She wants to know what I'm listening to. Still coming out. Huh. She's probably a teenager, maybe an adult. Probably 5.5, maybe 6 feet long. Sorry, I'm muffled. I got a mask on. We're gonna let her do a thing, mow around her. Hope everybody has a great day. Don't forget to smack that like button.